Hello everyone. This video covers working of Viva Connection mobile app in Teams. Here is the SharePoint dashboard page on home site in web browser, which is based on SharePoint Adaptive Card Extensions, the new SPFX feature. And this dashboard is configured with out-of-box templates like Teams Ace, first-party cards like TAS or WebLink templates, or developers can deploy more adaptive card extensions like cafeteria or the attendance card that we are going to see in tenant's SharePoint app catalog, similar to how the other web parts are deployed. Once configured, all these cards work seamlessly within Viva mobile app with no additional dev work. All the interaction and navigations working as mobile native experience within Teams app. What you see here is a mobile view on the left side, and I'm navigating to a company branded app in that tenant with their company logo showing here as a Relic Cloud app. This logo is configurable by tenant admins on a tenant Teams admin portal. As you launch VCM app, you will see the same beautiful dashboard showing up on mobile and will provide you native mobile experience. It also has feed and resources tab showing the latest news from SharePoint and Yammer, as well as the important company resources. What you are seeing here is cards-based experience, which is fast and fluid. There are two different card sizes and templates with and without image. Cards also have variation around the icons, the title, description and text, along with action buttons. These cards are entry point to additional functionality for employee related tasks, including FLWs and IW scenarios. The cards have three different layers. The card itself showing the relevant data from services and showing the user actions. Quick View providing additional data, enabling user actions and taking inputs from the user. Application interface, which is taking users to another SharePoint or Yammer page or deep linking to Teams app with specific context, but persisting the back navigation and the Viva app context. Let's start with each card. Relic Cloud Home is a SharePoint card and natively navigates to another SP page or site within Viva app context. And back navigation brings back to the Viva app. Time of card allows to submit vacations quickly through the Quick View experience. I can go to FAQ screen and see answers frequently checked. This kind of experience can be extended to terms and conditions acceptance scenario as well. I can also go back to previous screen within the model, and I can submit my vacations using the native controls of iOS and Android. As I submit the vacations, my balance updates and also reflects on the card. Microsoft Build is an example of external link bringing new stories or events showing up on dashboard. Attendance card is an example of quick clock in, clock out before the event starts to mark your attendance. This card is just an example of how third-party cards in a tenant can help with employee-related scenarios. As I click on clock in, it allows me to confirm using a native confirmation dialog. As I click OK, it makes a service call and changes its state to now provide me clock out option on the card. Cafeteria card is another example of quick order experience where you can pick from your favorites or recent items. You can go to detailed menu, place order. As you place order, you can see the order status on the card updating, as well as It will also update when the order is ready for pickup. You can also switch to dark theme and dashboard re-renders automatically and looks really cool in dark theme as well. All these quick view scenarios are great example of how app developer controls quick view experience with low no code solution and adaptive card JSONs that work across mobile and web. We would like to give a big shout out to Imagineer team who partnered with us in an open source development model for the adaptive cards React Native SDK, which delivers these quick view experiences in Viva mobile app. Overall, Viva Connection dashboard app brings power of Teams, SPFX components, adaptive cards, and React Native to provide great performance, extensibility, and native experiences for all your FLW and IW scenarios. Thank you.